Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're heading over near St Austell to Carne Beach and Kingswood. Come and have a look around with us. Carne Beach is a stunning beach owned by the National Trust on the Roseland Peninsula and attaches to the neighbouring beach of Pentewan at low tide. To get to Carne Beach you have to navigate some sketchy narrow country roads, and due to this fairly remote area it remains relatively quiet even in peak season. The beach is mostly laid to golden sand with an array of rock walls at either end, so tons to keep the kids occupied, and it is also dog friendly all year round, so perfect for the whole crew. For us, it's certainly worth braving those little narrow roads. Kingswood is a lovely 400-year-old woodland just outside of St Austell town. It boasts from a decent amount of parking and easy to navigate trails. There are trails to suit all, including more hilly climbs to easier flat walks. We opted for the flat walk with the children and it was perfectly manageable even with a toddler. The views are incredible from up here. Although we didn't get quite that far with the children, if you walk the full trail of 3.2 miles you can walk all the way to the lost port of Pentewan. Let us know if you have visited any of these places. Please do like and subscribe as it helps to get our little channel seen. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time.